नायब वज़ीर आज़म इसहाक़ डार ने कहा है कि संगीन मुआशी अदम तवाज़ुन विरसे में मिला है। सियासी मफादात से बालातर होकर पॉलिसीज़ में तसलसल और शफाफियत लाना होगी। वो इस्लामाबाद में पाकिस्तान पॉलिसी डायलॉग के उन्वान से मुनाक़िदा तक़रीब से खिताब कर रहे थे।
We are systematically addressing long-standing inefficiencies, including privatization of major public sector enterprises. The privatization of, PIA has been successfully completed after more than 2 decades of effort. This landmark achievement not only, will modernize the airline, but also will reduce the financial burden on the national exchequer. The second, I would say that reducing the circular debt. We are enforcing payment discipline, strengthening regulators, and building a financially sustainable energy sector. The goal is to ensure that energy supports economic growth instead of constraining it.